I personally am Melbourne-based, but we're a national company, so we can service anywhere in Australia. No, we're actually quantity surveyors, so construction cost estimators. And so we have a range of services from detailed cost plans for large-scale projects. Tax depreciation schedules is one part of the business, but we also do your insurance replacement cost plans for people wanting to know that they're insuring their property for the right value. No, any type of property, as long as it's income producing, whether it be commercial or residential, we can provide a report for your business. Yeah, look, mostly it is a fixed rate report for most properties. However, if it's in a really remote location, we may have to add some additional costs for that. But mostly it is a fixed rate. Anywhere within a 2-hour radius of a metro area, we can do.
For more information, visit our website at mcgqs.com.au.